Science has gone too far, and sometimes it's hard to believe what's real and what's not. For decades, scientists have tried to mix species that were never meant to meet, human and animal, machine and flesh. Let's dive into the most nightmarish crossbreeding experiments ever conducted. Number 11. The Human-Chimp Hybrid. This one sounds like a twisted movie plot, but it's real. In the 1920s, researchers in Florida allegedly inseminated a female chimpanzee with human sperm. They called her Chan. She became pregnant, and the hybrid baby was reportedly born alive, part human, part chimp. At first, scientists were stunned. The creature could move like a chimp, but had eerily human eyes and expressions. But the excitement didn't last. Fear took over. The team realized what they had done. They had blurred the line between man and animal. Terrified of what this meant, they decided to euthanize the hybrid shortly after birth. The story resurfaced decades later when evolutionary psychologist Gordon Gallup revealed the details, calling it the darkest secret in U.S. science. No photo was ever released, but several whistleblowers claim footage existed, destroyed before the government found out. Number 10. The Human-Mouse Hybrid. In 1997, a group of scientists at Massachusetts General Hospital created one of the strangest creatures in medical history. A mouse with a human ear growing on its back. It wasn't fake. It wasn't CGI. The Vacanti mouse was part of a real medical experiment. Scientists injected human cartilage cells under the mouse's skin to grow an ear-like structure. The idea was to test how human organs could grow for future transplants. But what the world saw looked like a nightmare. Photos spread across the internet showing a living creature carrying a human ear on its spine. The project was hailed as a medical success, but it also sparked global outrage. Lawmakers pushed for bans on human-animal genetic mixing. Even today, some claim similar hybrid experiments continue in secret labs across Asia, this time using human brain cells. Number 9. The Human-Cow Hybrid. In 2008, British scientists made headlines after fusing human DNA with cow eggs. The goal? To create cloned embryos for stem cell research. But what they created shocked everyone. Early-stage embryos that were part human, part cow. These embryos lived for 3 days before being destroyed, but by then, the world had already seen the photos. The church, ethics boards, and the public called it playing God. Even more disturbing, activists warned that genetic mixing with livestock could one day reach the food supply. Though the researchers insisted the embryos were never born, insiders claimed a few continued developing longer than admitted. Officially, the project was shut down. Unofficially, no one really knows what happened to the surviving samples. Number 8. The Beetle-Computer Hybrid. It sounds insane, but scientists really turned a beetle into a living robot. In 2006, researchers implanted a tiny computer chip inside a beetle's body, giving them full control of its movements. With electrical signals sent through the chip, they could steer the beetle like a drone, left, right, up, down. And the worst part? The beetle was alive the entire time. It could still eat, breathe, and move on its own. But now, it also obeyed commands from a remote controller. The project was publicly justified as useful for rescue missions, saying beetle bots could crawl through rubble to find survivors. But critics called it what it really was: bioslavery. Many fear this was just the beginning, a test run before similar chips were placed in larger creatures, or maybe even humans. Some leaked footage from the experiment still exists online, showing the beetle twitching under the control of invisible hands. Number 7. The Geep, Goat and Sheep Hybrid. In a quiet farm in Arizona, a farmer found something that didn't belong in this world: a baby born with the face of a goat and the body of a sheep. Geep hybrids are genetic accidents. Their DNA barely matches, meaning most die before birth. Butterfly was the only one known to live past infancy. Her case made biologists question how much more genetic chaos might be happening behind the scenes in labs around the world. Because if a Geep can survive, what else could? Number 6. The Naruga, Narwhal, and Beluga whale hybrid. Deep in the Arctic, a fisherman once thought he caught an ordinary whale until he saw its face. The skin was gray like a beluga, but the skull had the tusk of a narwhal. He had unknowingly caught a Naruga, a hybrid born from a beluga father and a narwhal mother. For years, scientists thought it was a myth. Then, DNA testing in 2019 proved it was real. The Naruga wasn't just rare, it was 1 in a million. Some scientists believe climate change forced the two species together, but others say nature might simply be trying to adapt to human destruction. Number 5. The woolly mammoth revival. This one isn't fiction. It's happening right now. A biotech company called Colossal Biosciences is bringing back the woolly mammoth using CRISPR gene editing. They've been splicing mammoth DNA into Asian elephant embryos to create a hybrid that could walk the earth again within a few years. But once released, how do you stop something that doesn't belong to any era, past or present? If this works, the next step could be far worse, bringing back extinct predators. The woolly mammoth might just be the first monster of a new genetic age. Number 4. The Liger, lion and tiger hybrid. When you combine the king of the jungle with the queen of the wild, what you get isn't majesty, it's monstrosity. The Liger, born from a male lion and a female tiger, is the largest big cat on Earth. They can grow over 10 feet long and weigh more than 900 pounds, twice the size of a normal lion. One of the most famous, Hercules, lives in Myrtle Beach and weighs a terrifying 922 pounds. They look majestic, but ligers are living proof that not all hybrids are natural. They grow so fast, their hearts and bones can't keep up, causing deformities and organ failure. Many die young. Zoos and private breeders keep making them for attention because people will pay to see the impossible. Animal rights groups call it torture, forcing predators to reproduce just to create viral monsters. And yet, the obsession continues. Number 3. The Pizzly bear, polar and grizzly hybrid. The Arctic is melting, and what's left behind is something straight out of a horror story. Grizzlies and polar bears, once separated by thousands of miles, are now meeting and mating. The result? The Pizzly bear, or growler bear. Unpredictable and violent, attacking anything that moves. In one chilling report, hunters described a Pizzly eating another bear, something neither species normally does. It's survival gone mad, created by a world out of balance. Number 2. The Humpback-Dolphin hybrid, the Wholphin. In 1985, at Sea Life Park in Hawaii, a dolphin gave birth to a creature that shocked scientists, a Wholphin, half bottlenose dolphin, half false killer whale. It had the smile of a dolphin, but the size and teeth of a whale. The strange thing? It was fertile, meaning it could reproduce, creating a new species that shouldn't exist. Only a handful have been born since, but their existence raises a terrifying question. If we can merge two sea mammals this easily, how close are we to creating human-sea hybrids? Videos of Wholphins still circulate online, cheerful music hiding the horror of what they are, the living proof that ocean life can be rewritten. Scientists call them accidents, but no one really knows how many more are out there. Number 1. The Human-Chimp Rebirth experiments. Yes, this one again, because it's not over. Reports surfaced in 2019 that a lab in China attempted to recreate the same human-chimp hybrid experiment that was allegedly done a century ago. This time, they used gene editing tools like CRISPR. The embryos survived for nearly 3 weeks before being terminated. If these experiments continue, the next hybrid might not be confined to a lab. It might walk among us. No fur, no tail, just enough humanity to go unnoticed. And that's the most disturbing part. Science started these projects in the name of curiosity. But what if curiosity doesn't stop? If we can cross beasts, rewrite DNA, and bring back the dead, how long before the next hybrid looks like us?